Hello, and welcome to British English for Arabs. Today, I am going to show you how we actually greet people in British English. In the UK, greetings are usually short and simple. They are often not real questions. They are just a polite way to say hello. Let us look at some common greetings. Example 1. We say hi or hello. Hi. Hello. This is a very common and natural greeting used by everyone on an everyday basis, like at the supermarket or at the coffee shop. Example 2. We also say morning or good morning. Morning. Good morning. This is a common greeting to say in the morning, and you will often hear it in professional places, like at school and at work. Example 3. We often say, you alright? Or simply, alright? You alright? Alright? This is not a real question. Here, you don't need to explain how you feel. A simple reply is enough. Yeah, you. Or simply, alright. Yeah, you. Alright. Now, sometimes you may hear this phrase in the supermarket or at a clothing store. If someone says, you alright? It generally means, do you need any help or can I help you in any way? To which you can reply, thanks, I'm just looking. Example 4. Another common greeting you may have heard of is hiya or hey. Hiya, hey. These are very friendly informal greetings and are commonly used between friends or someone your age. Well done! You now know how to greet people in British English. Remember, keep it short and simple. If you want to learn more British English, download the Survival British English for Arab speakers below. See you in the next lesson.